Alright, good morning guys. I made a video yesterday, it had no sound on it so you could see me working but you couldn't hear me, so I'm going to repost it for you. Thanks to you guys who texted me and let me know that it did not work. Here it is, it's Monday, we're on lesson 9. Of course, start with the name on the top of your paper. We're always starting with the names on the top of the paper. Let's take a look at number 1. It says, you may use money manipulatives to answer this question in the story. Germaine had $550 after she paid a tax of $75. How much money does she have left? Now, we've been doing this problem, but it's always been addition. But look, it comes from lesson number 9, which was our subtraction lesson. So if you can help yourselves remember those lessons, it might help you set it up. So we're going to set it up like this. $550 minus $75. Okay? Don't forget to borrow from the 5, make it a 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. Cross out the 5, make it a 4, and 14 minus 7 is 7. 475. Do I need a label? Yes. Dollars. $475. Okay? Number 2, we've had for a long time now. I think you should be able to do it on your own. Name the 5 even one-digit numbers. Even. Starts with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, some people start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, but 10 is a 2-digit number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that was good old Mr. Saxon trying to trick us. Check out number 3. It says which digit, check out number 4. 100 is equal to how many tens? How many tens equals 100? And it would be 10 tens. All right, jump to number 9 down at the bottom. This is Yosemite National Park in California. It's one of the oldest national parks in the United States. Yosemite covers, now we're going to chunk this, 761,266 acres and became a national park in 1980. Use words to name the number of acres of Yosemite National Park. So we're going to do this in chunks too. So down at number 9, we're going to write in our answer key C box, because it's going to be a little bit longer. We got 761,000, comma, 266. 761,266. Okay. All right. These normal subtraction addition ones, pretty easy. I think you should be able to handle those on your own. Write the 9th term in the counting sequence. Now remember, you could take the first one times 9 to find your answer, or you could write out all those spaces till you get to the 9th term. Let's go to number 26. It says, is 370 an odd number or an even number? Explain how you know. Is 370? 370. Sometimes you just have to be able to read those words. 370. Check out the last one. Is it odd or even? Number 27. Compare. Try to compare before subtracting, then subtract to compare. So you have 31 minus 12, and you have 31 minus 15. And you're going to compare those. Now guys, you notice there's 31 on each side, so this actually says, is 12 greater than 15? But we're subtracting here, so let's be careful. Let's subtract. Cross out the 3, make it a 2. 11 minus 2 is 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1. And over here, 11 minus 5 is 6, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So if we would have compared first, we would have said 15 is bigger, but actually it's smaller because that 15 is what we were subtracting. So the answer to this one is 19 is greater than 16. Check out 28. It says half of 20 is 10. What's half of 21? Now remember, when we take an odd number, we're always going to give it the hi-ya. And they already gave us the closest even number is 20. And half of 20 is 10. So we got this one more up here to make it 21. And let's give that one the hi-ya. And we cut in half, we get a half. So we got 10 and a half. Number 29. Write a rule that describes how to find the number of legs for any number of insects. How do we find legs if we have the insect? So I have one insect. To find the legs is times 6. I have two insects. To find the legs is 12. So we're going to say insects times 6 equals legs. And then number 30, we're going to use this rule. Write the number of legs represented by 7 insects. So we fill 7 into the insects, keep the times 6, and that's going to equal, and if you got to use your hundreds chart, you can, or your multiplication chart, you'll get 42. Do I need a label? Yes, legs. 42 legs. All right, guys. Hope this video works better. We'll see you at the 10 o'clock Zoom if you need any help.